Welcome to your Edugani. Now we are going to discuss about GREIBACH normal form. GREIBACH normal form is nothing but which is in the form of A to B, C1, C2 and Cn, where A, C1, C2 or so on Cn are non-terminals and B is terminal. Okay, these two conditions are followed by in GREIBACH normal form. Okay, let us discuss how to convert context-free grammar to GREIBACH normal form. Before getting to this topic, please do subscribe and don't forget to like, share and comment. Okay, now steps to convert a given context-free grammar to GREIBACH normal form. Let us discuss one by one. Check if the given CFG has any unit productions or null productions. Okay, unit productions and null productions are nothing but, let us see. Unit productions are, let us see, A tends to B, contains only one production. This production contains only one non-terminal. This is considered as unit production. And null productions are nothing but A tends to epsilon. Epsilon contains, this production is null production. If the context-free grammar contains these two type of productions, we will simply remove it. Okay, this is step 1. Now step 2 is check whether the context-free grammar is already in Chomsky normal form or not. If the context-free grammar is not in Chomsky normal form, we will simply convert the context-free grammar to Chomsky normal form. Let us see the Chomsky normal form conditions. We know that a non-terminal symbol generating a epsilon production, or a non-terminal generating a two non-terminals A or B, and A tends to terminal, like this. These three conditions are followed in Chomsky normal form. If the context-free grammar not in these three conditions, we will simply convert it into Chomsky normal form conditions. Okay. The third step is change the names of non-terminal symbols into some AI in ascending order. Ascending order means 1, 2, 3, so on. Increasing order, not in decreasing order. Change the names of non-terminals means if the context-free grammar has S2, A, B, A, like this, then we will simply change it as A1 gives rise to A2, A3 and A. Like this we should change it. Okay, the names of non-terminals are changed to A1, A2, like that, within ascending order. The step 4 is alter the rules so that the non-terminals are in ascending order. Okay, non-terminals are in ascending order, such that if the production is in the form of AI gives rise to AJX, X is terminal symbol, then I less than to J, always I less than to J, and should not be greater than or equal to J. I should not be greater than or equal to J. Let us discuss. Let us see. If the production is in the form of S gives rise to A, B, C, small a, like this, then we will convert it as A1 gives rise to A2, A3, A4, small a. But we should not write as A3 gives rise to A1, A2, A4, A, like this. Here I is greater than A1 and A2, so it is not applicable. Here see, A1 gives rise to A2, A3, A4. Here 1 is less than 2, 3, 4. But here C is greater than 1 and 2. This is not considered as GREIBACH normal form. These are removed or we can modify it by using recursion, left recursion or right recursion. Like that methods we should take, and we should convert it into GREIBACH normal form. Okay, and I value always less than j and I greater than or equal to j is not followed. Only I less than or equal to j only followed in GREIBACH normal form. That productions are only said as GREIBACH normal form. In next video we will discuss example problems on GREIBACH normal form. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. You are Edugani. Thank you.